Hi guys, my name is James. I'm gonna show you my Scratch project. Here, this is Steve. This is the character, and there's an obstacle. When I press play, you use jump to jump. The space bar to jump, and then press the down arrow key to dodge, and then use the K button to kill a zombie. And then let's go and kill and dodge and jump and kill and jump and kill and then dodge and jump and then kill and then dodge. And then there's a score over here. And if you die, it looks like that, and then it will tell you your score. I find it difficult is when the zombie is close to Steve and then kill it. I use the if and then distance to zombie smaller than 80 and to hide the zombie.
What will you do if you have more time to finish it?
I will add more dimensions and more like the nether or the end, and maybe add more obstacle to make it harder, and then make more keybinds to make maybe make the Steve fly, and that's it. Thank you.